Hey, Chris here. In this video, we're going to look at 6 different websites that are going to earn you around £500 from just one day of work. And yes, these are genuine sites. You will genuinely earn money from them. They're not just smoke and mirrors websites where you'll get points and then you have to unlock the points to get money or anything like that. This is money that will be paid directly into your bank account. Now, if we get on the laptop, I'll just run through each of the websites and what you need to do in order to earn the money from them. And in future videos, I will do more in-depth guides on each of these sites if you'd like to see those. But I do actually have a free money offers guide already. I'll leave the link in the description, which has all the instructions already on there. But yeah, let's get on the laptop and I'll show you all these in detail. So this very first site then is called 20 Cogs, and as you can see, I've actually completed all of the 20 Cogs. So 20 Cogs is basically just a site where you get these tasks to do, and when you completed them, you then earn money, and you have to complete all 20 tasks to actually get paid out to you can set it as either your PayPal account or your bank account they'll directly pay you to. But yeah, all of them are in green. It means I've completed them. And when you've finished all 20, they actually give you an extra cog there because the way it works is they will earn money when you sign up to these different companies through their link. So they're recommending different businesses to you to sign up to. They're earning a commission for recommending people, and then they're sharing that commission with you when you sign up to these different businesses and different subscription services. I've done a few videos on 20 Cogs already, sharing how much money I've made and things like that with 20 Cogs. But as I say, I'll do a more in-depth video showing top tips and exactly what you need to do to complete all the Cogs as fast as possible. From 20 Cogs, you can earn around £200. I did personally earn about 140 because I'd already signed up to a few of the different websites that paid out more money. But yeah, that was a genuine £140 that was paid into my PayPal account as soon as I'd completed the full 20 Cogs. The next site we're going to look at here is the site Topcashback, and that's just a site that actually pays you money to shop. Now, we don't want to just go onto Topcashback and start buying things to earn money, because if you're spending £100 to get £10 back, then you've still spent £90. That's not profit, is it? But the way we go about taking advantage of the Topcashback site is by signing up to casino websites through the Topcashback link. So really quickly, and I have a video on exactly how to do this already in more detail. If you want to check out the video, I'll leave the link in the description. But you would just go here to entertainment and leisure, and then down at the bottom it says casinos, so you click on that. Then when it shows all of these different casino sites here, you can see, for example, like Coral Casino, you can get £50 cashback by signing up to Coral. So if we check that out, it just says new customer, £10 minimum deposit with a £10 wager. So all you do with that is you just open an account by clicking this Get Cashback Now button. That's going to register on the Topcashback site that you've gone through that link. Then you deposit £10 into the Coral account, and even if you lost the whole £10, you're still going to get paid £50 from Topcashback. So the worst case scenario is you're going to get £40 profit there. But what you want to do is go onto a casino game and do 100 spins at 10p each, and that'll wager that £10. Now, the very highly likelihood is that you won't lose the whole £10. You might lose, say, £1 or £2, maybe £5 loss, or you might even actually make £1 or £2 if you as they say, get lucky. It's not luck, they're just random number generators, but it could be that the variance of it goes into your favor in that offer there. By the way, I do have my referral links in the description, of course. You will earn £5 by going through my 20 Cogs link, and you'll also earn usually £10 through the Topcashback link below. So there's an extra 15 quid there just using my links. Now, the next 4 sites are actually just going to be simple websites where you sign up, deposit a bit of money, and then get free money or free shares in return, which you can then sell and withdraw to your bank account. And the first one here is going to be the Orca investment app. Now, Orca, before, you had a load of messing about to do. You had to buy 3 different shares to get a free share, but now it's super simple. You literally open a free account, deposit £1, and then you get a free share. It's that straightforward. And the free share is worth up to £200, or they're now giving out free US stocks, like a fraction of a US stock. So you could get a free share in, say, Apple, for example, or Tesla, but it would just be, say, a £5 worth of Tesla, because Tesla shares are very expensive, hundreds of dollars. So yeah, it's just a fraction of a Tesla share. The next app we're going to look at here is called the Stake investment app, and that again is just a sign up, deposit some money, and then you will get the free share. And that free share can actually be in GoPro, Dropbox, or Nike. I have had one Nike myself, which at the current filming right now is worth about $140. So there is the chance there. It's very rare because I've only had the one, but you could actually get one worth, in English money, about 100 quid. The next site I want to share with you is the Chip Savings app, and I know many of you already signed up to this app, but this is a super simple one. So you literally just sign up to the app, deposit £2, and then they give you £10 cash, which you then can withdraw 30 days later. It's so easy to do. It's just ridiculous how free the money is. Of course, these companies put these offers on to attract new customers because they're just starting out, and these aren't going to be around forever. Once the companies have grown to the size that they want to, they won't give out the free money anymore because they won't need to. They'll be a big enough brand. So you want to take advantage of these while they're still a smaller, lesser known company. And then finally, the last website we want to look at here is called the Wombat Invest app. And at the moment, rather than £10, they're actually giving £20 cash out. So all you need to do, sign up, deposit £20, and then buy a nice solid fund like the S&P 500, which is actually called the All-American Fund on there. Not financial advice, but it's a good solid one to get into. And then a couple of days later, or even the same day, they give you £20 cash, and you can then invest that into whatever else you want on their app, or just wait 3 months to get paid in that cash to just withdraw it. If you'd like to comment down below with any of these sites that you may have already signed up to, if you're a regular subscriber and long-time viewer here on the channel, that would be fantastic. I'd love to read the comments there, and if you had any value or enjoyed the video, please do press the like button below. I do appreciate it. But yeah, that's going to do it for this one then. Until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.